This is speaking test, taking test from English Fantasy. Your name is Asadul. How may I address you? Personal name.
Okay. Thank you, sir. My name is Abdul Rahman. I am from Kumilla. It is situated in nearby Magna.
Okay, sir. Do you work or study?
I'm a student of English Fantasy.
Okay. So how much time do you spend at your job or study?
Basically, I wake up early in the morning and at 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. I spend time for my studies purpose. So
Okay. So do you like music or not?
yeah, I love music and I always try to sing song.
Okay. Describe the music you like most and tell me why.
Basically, I love Bangla song, especially when I sing the song. At the time, I feel like this word and this listen.
Okay.
So,
Do you like watching films?
sorry.
Do you like watching films?
Yeah, I love watching films, especially Bangla films. I love. So when I have free time, I try to watch movies.
What kind of movies do you like most?
Basically, I want to watch Hindi movies and English movies. Sometimes Bangla movies.
Okay. So do you use social media?
Yeah, I use social media.
Okay. Do you like to chat face to face or online?
Equal or both are equal. I like when I have free time. At the time, I will go another side for meeting my friend, and at the time I will chatting here with.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much. This is your end of part one. Right now, I will give you one cue card. You have 1 minute for preparation. After that, you have to speak up to 2 minutes.
Okay,
This
sir.
is your cue card. If you want, you can take some notes.
Basically, the skill is English. So I love English because of I have a dream. The dream is I will be go to abroad for my studies purpose, and my mother and my father wants to. I will go abroad for complete my bachelor, and I came here for learn English because I'm very weak in English. That's why I came here to learning English, and I spent here 2 months and learning English. And when I will be complete my learn English and I will be get a score in IELTS, I will be go to abroad for my study purpose. And I'm a student. I complete my HSC. I will be go abroad for complete my bachelor. So I thought English is a very difficult subject, but when I will be get dedicated at the time, it is easy for everyone. So I tried, and my dream is I complete. I get a good score and I will be go abroad. Our country situation is not good, like political situation, study situations is not good. That's why I didn't stay here.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much. This is the end of cue card. Right now, I will ask you some question which is actually related about cue card.
English, like everyone wants to learn English because it is a very easy way for a bright future, for going bright future. That's why it is a common skill.
Okay. Will you learn computer skill? Why or why not?
Yeah, I want to learn computer skills because computer is a modern technology in this world, and it is helpful for our growing life. That's why I want to learn skills computer.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much. This is the end of speaking test. So if I want to give some feedback about speaking, in part one you have done very well. Some silly mistake you made, like you are nervous